You may remember that a mindful minute is a quick break that helps to re-energize and refocus your brain when you're feeling overwhelmed or frustrated or stressed. This strategy is called calming colors. You will need to keep your eyes open so that you can be mindful of two things. One is your breathing, and two is what you see around you. You're going to choose a color to focus on. Try to simply use your eyes to look around the room. With each object of your color that you find, take a deep inhale and exhale. Let's try this together. Look at the scene with the focus color of green. Let your eyes rest on one green thing. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now move your eyes to another green thing. Deep breath in and out. Once you have found 4 or 5 objects of your color and taken 4 or 5 deep breaths, you should be ready to get back to work. If you need more time, you can always choose another color and try again. Just remember, this should only take a minute or 2 before you get back to it.